In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Firstly, we need to open Devices Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Then tap on All Services and scroll to tap on Autofill with Google. Now it's time to scroll again, and this time choose Google Password Manager. Now you can either tap on Add Password right away, or if you don't have any password saved, you need to choose Settings. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on, log into any app and tap on Add in the pop-up. Without it, you won't be able to add password manually because your manager needs at least one. After adding it though, you can tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. Over here, any website, or select App to tap on a chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Now when you're done, you can tap on Save at the top right corner to add this password to your manager. And mine was just successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!